Hi there, I'm Toby Richards, and today we're going to be shooting high-speed photography using the Hähnel Captur. The shot I want is of the precise moment that a balloon filled with water has burst, so we can see the water droplets hanging in the air, frozen in time. Without the Captur, this would be a really tough photograph to get right, but the device is going to automate the process, remotely controlling a pair of speed lights and making the shot really straightforward.
For this shoot, we're going to use the Hähnel Captur Module Pro and infrared module, two capture receiver units attached to two speed lights, with light flags attached to C-stands either side. For each shot, we'll be dropping the balloon from a bar set up behind our capture devices. The balloon will then fall through our infrared beam, triggering the Module Pro, then bursting on a scalpel we have attached underneath it. After a set delay, the Module Pro will then trigger the speed lights, and what's left of the balloon and the water will fall into an inflatable pool below. So we're setting the shot up in a light-proof studio, using a manual exposure of 5 seconds on the camera and freezing our moment in time using the flash from our speed lights. But the capture system is really versatile and can also be used to trigger the camera's shutter or multiple studio lights, and with a 100-meter range is fantastic for shooting outside as well. The speed lights are on manual, have been set to their shortest flash duration, and the capture receiver units have already been synced to the Module Pro. Using additional speed lights is really easy, and simply requires an extra receiver unit for each one. The Captur can respond to a number of different triggers, but we're going to use the infrared system for this shoot to allow the balloon to reform some of its shape while in the air. The system is really straightforward to use, and getting the IR device and the Captur Module Pro aligned and operational only takes a few seconds. The key to fine-tuning in this shoot comes from the delay functionality of the Module Pro, as we can change exactly when it will trigger our speed lights in 1/100th of a second increments. Because we're going to be working in the dark, the fact the whole capture system is wireless makes life really simple and a lot safer, and the range of the units makes it perfect for wildlife or sports photography. A quick test to check everything's set up okay, and the Captur is triggering the flashes perfectly when the balloon passes through the infrared beam. Once we're reset, it's lights out and we're ready to go. I'm happy with the results, but I want a shot just a fraction of a second sooner so we can still see some of the rubber of the balloon at the point that it bursts. Making adjustments to the Captur is really simple, so I'm just going to reduce the delay a touch and we're ready to go again. Watch the rest of the films in the series from the links below, or visit the Hähnel website for more information on the Captur.